Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate DaVinci Resolve for H.264 export for social media step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. On the main interface, navigate to the Media tab at the bottom left. Import the video file you want to export by dragging it into the media pool. Next, switch to the Edit tab. Drag your imported video onto the timeline to edit as needed. Once editing is complete, move to the Deliver tab at the bottom. In the Deliver page, choose Custom Export from the available presets. Set the file name for your export in the File Name field. Select a destination folder where you want to save the exported file. Scroll down to the Video section. For the format, select H.264 from the options provided. In the codec dropdown, choose H.264 as well. Adjust the resolution as appropriate for your social media platform. Check the frame rate settings to match your project settings. Look for the quality option and select automatic or set a specific bitrate if preferred. Next, move to the audio section. Ensure the audio format is set to AAC. Set the audio bitrate to 192 kbps for good quality. Scroll to the bottom and click on Add to Render Queue. Open the Render Queue panel on the right side of the screen. Click on Start Render to begin exporting your video. Wait for the process to complete, and your video is now ready for social media. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.